routine. So stay tuned. I just gotta get this stuff on my makeup bag. I dropped my palette, y'all. I dropped my palette. So I put that. Makeup brush, blending brush. Cause y'all, I got a brand new. Cause I got a brand new makeup set. And we got the stuff in here. Gotta open up this bag. Now come out. Come out. Eyebrow thing. Okay. I think this is brand new makeup. My mom gave me brand new makeup. My mom is so nice. She gave me brand new makeup. Guys, we got the mascara. The mascara right here. I know it looks like lipstick, but it's not lipstick. So yeah, we got all the lipsticks in here. So we got this we got this lip gloss to put on top of your lipsticks. So we got this lip gloss to put on top of your lipstick, guys. Before we start this makeover, I hope you enjoy the makeup because it might be a little shades or something. I don't have any concealer, so okay, we're gonna start. So we're gonna start with the eyes. What's that brush? I'm gonna use this brush for the eyeshadow. I hope y'all enjoy. That color is so light. And y'all, I'm gonna use pink too. And it's like pink on my other palette, okay? I'm doing a video, Mama.
Okay, but I'm just gonna turn on your light for you so you can at least see.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I hope y'all like the video today.
You better make it barely see. You should put it back so you can see.
My makeup routine. So we're gonna start with this light peach color right here. I know this like peach colors right here, but it might. Oops, y'all. Accidentally put something on the ground. Don't worry, y'all. It's gonna look prettier. Don't worry, y'all. My makeup's gonna look prettier in a second. We're doing a highly clean makeover today, so stay tuned. Now we're gonna start with the eyebrows. Y'all, stay tuned. Guys, that's good. It still look good. So I'm trying to work on my eyebrows, but y'all, it's not that easy to work on my eyebrows. But what if I mess up from this way? It's okay. I'm scared. Okay, I'm scared. I'm gonna do this. Okay, just go like that and that. I hope you enjoy this. So guys, I hope y'all enjoy my makeup routine. And Bryson's back there, and he just went to school because we're in our uniforms. I hope y'all enjoy my makeup routine. Bryson, don't mess me up, okay? Bryson, you are a mean brother. Go, you're about to mess me up. My makeup.
Supposed to mess them.
I know I'm not. I'm trying to do my video. Well, Bryson's being annoying, guys. So I gotta finish my video. Y'all, Bryson is crazy, brother. So, Bryson, you need to. Let's go. Okay, y'all, just to let you know. Oh my god! Why do you keep dropping my makeup?
What was that?
Why do you keep dropping on my makeup phone? Tell me why. Okay. Okay, y'all, we already put on that eyeshadow on our eyes. Now we're gonna do it on the same eye. And put the eyeshadow on. Why does this eyeshadow have to be so light? So y'all can see. See, it's showing. I see it showing. It's right there. Showing good. Okay, now we're gonna come from this side to the other side. That's why I'll be more quicker. Okay? Good. Now we're gonna use this brush. And then we're gonna use this like other part to put some on the nose a little bit. And we need to put it down there a little bit. We're gonna blend that in. Because you need to blend that part in. Because we need it some. Do it right there. Do it right. Get a few more of that. Put it right there. Now we're gonna need to blend those pieces in. Because we're gonna make sure that this looks like a good makeup. So guys, this is the best part. First we're gonna start with the dark pink. Now when I supposed to use that brush, I messed up. Well, I messed up one of my brushes because I accidentally used up my brush. This is the dark pink, so y'all probably gonna think it's red. It's pink. It's just a really dark pink. You can't really see it. I know y'all think it looks like red, but it's a darker pink. No, y'all can't really see it. It's just a dark pink. Now can y'all see the pink? It's on my eyelid. It's really dark. Makeover. But sometimes Harley Quinn has pink on her eyes. Doing Harley Quinn. Keep forgetting that we're doing Harley Quinn. I was almost about to do whatever I want on my eyelids. But yeah. We're doing pink instead of red. Guys, I know it looks like red. It's pink. We're not gonna use the light pink that I wanted to use. We're doing the Harley Quinn makeover, y'all. And Bryson, don't mess me up and come in the video. You're right there in the video. So now we are going to use a different color. We are going to use this shiny blue on our eyelids because we need some blue for the Harley Quinn makeover. Because, ooh, this blue is so pretty. I just want to use this blue every day. It's so pretty. It's like shimmery. It's just so pretty. It works so goodly. Bryson, you like the shade of blue? Bryson, I'm doing a Harley Quinn makeover. Bryson, you like it?
Well, it looks very bad.
I'm doing a Harley Quinn makeover.
Harley Quinn?
Yeah, I'm doing Harley Quinn makeover. You like it?
No.
Do next. On the makeup that we're gonna do next is, I don't really know. So y'all, you might as well close up my palettes. Put that in there. Guys, now we're gonna work on lips. Guys, now we're gonna use a lipstick, and then we're gonna do the blush. Haven't even opened the blush yet. We're doing this darkish, pinkish, reddish lipstick because we don't have any red lipstick. It's gonna show. I just don't see it yet. I see that red showing. I hope y'all like my Harley Quinn makeover after I'm done. has pink or red. Lipstick on. Now you can put the lip gloss line on top, and then you can have to put on the lip gloss on top of the lipstick. Look how pretty I am. And I'm gonna do the Harley Quinn makeover like this, and I'm gonna do the Harley Quinn side too, right there. But I have to find my black. So. Yeah, I'm gonna do the Harley Quinn makeover. Okay, we did the lipstick. Don't y'all like my makeup so far? Bryson got it. Let's do the blush. No. I'm gonna put a few blush on those just to make it look really cute.
That was an ice. Nice.
You like how I look? This Harley Quinn black tattoo. I'm just gonna use black makeup. I'm just gonna use this black makeup in this small brush. Let me use this black eyeshadow for the heart. Y'all, I'm making Harley Quinn. So, are y'all ready for the mascara? And y'all, there's a lot of mascara in here. I just know it because I see it. The final reveal in 3, 2, 1. This is the Harley Quinn makeover reveal. Don't y'all like it? It's so cute. The tattoos, the lipstick, the eyelashes. Guys, I real eyelashes. I just put on mascara. Do y'all like the Harley Quinn makeover? I hope y'all like it. Bye.